Christmas Commission Bundle Review. In today's review, I'll be reviewing a product with which you can save thousands of dollars with a 99% off special Christmas Commission Bundle. Actually, this is a bundle of around 15 softwares which were made by Glenn Kosky, who is one of the 7-figure internet marketer and who is highly successful in this particular make money online niche. So make sure that you stay till the end of this video review, as I am going to tell you about the upsells, the bonuses, and also the OTOs what you'll be getting, so that you can make an informed decision about what is important, or whether it is right or not, this product is right for you or not. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Prakash and I am a digital affiliate marketer, and I make review videos like this from time to time. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video in this channel. So at any time during the review video, if you would like to want to take a peek at the product or the bonus page, just click the link in the description below. It will take you to my bonus page, and from there you can click the link and it can take you into the sales page where you can grab this product. So in a nutshell, Commission Bundle is a complete bundle of products launched by Glenn Kosky in 2020, I told you. So you will be getting access to 15 Warrior Plus products, all related to the make money online niche, and this particular Christmas Commission Bundle is newbie friendly, and anybody can make money with this particular product and also can run traffic to these offers. Now I feel really Glenn Kosky is really crazy, giving away 15 products for the price of one, really. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, just click the link in the description below, and this will take you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. And all you have to do is scroll this link and click on this red button here. When you click on this button, it will take you to the sales page, and on the sales page you can pick up this particular product for around $17 front end price, and this will be live as of 11 AM on the 10th of December 2020. So this is the sales page, and you're going to get access to this product at only $17. So I don't want you to miss out on the bonuses what I have put in for you. I have put in very congruent bonuses to this particular offer, so it'll be so that you can make the best out of this particular apps commission Christmas Commission Bundle. So now let us take a look at the demo video, which will be showing you about all the products that they are there in this particular Christmas Commission Bundle.
Did you know you're only one click away from getting your hands on 15 market-proven, award-winning traffic and commission apps for less than the price of one? Hey, it's Glyn here, and to kick off this holiday season, the team and I want to do something really special for you. We know it's been a tough year for many reasons, especially if you're new or struggling with online marketing, so what we've done is hand-selected 15 of the best apps of 2020 that we're using right now to make thousands of dollars per day, and we're giving them all to you for less than the price of one. But this is an extremely time-sensitive offer, so when the timer on this page counts down, this closes down for good. The apps inside the Christmas Commission Bundle are personal favorites of mine because they're so beginner friendly, responsible for too many customer success stories to count, and for hundreds of people making their first ever commissions online. There are dozens of income streams available to you in these apps, generate income in a wide range of niches, so if you've ever wanted to turn turn a passion into profits, this is your chance. Inside, you'll unlock multiple systems for free viral traffic, passive, recurring, and high-ticket income solutions, automated funnels for commissions and lead generation, done-for-you affiliate review sites, passively monetized websites, even done-for-you video sites to drive floods of free traffic and turn other people's videos into leads and commissions. Bottom line is there's something for everyone inside the Christmas Commission Bundle. Use one app or use them all. They're 100% cloud-based, accessible from anywhere, and fully supported. Each app has been a top seller and prize winner on the Warrior Plus network. People have voted with their wallets, confirming they deliver better than anything else in their categories. Each app is built on cutting edge technology, so you're getting winning solutions that are working right now. Industry leading step-by-step training walks you through setup and how to maximize your results. And because we're 100% committed to your success, you're covered with our epic customer support. So if you've got questions, we've got answers. What it all adds up for you, besides the amazing value, is the easiest way to create multiple income streams regardless of experience. You don't need an existing email list or social media audience. You don't need technical skills. You sure as hell don't need any traffic budget. And because hosting for every page and site is included, you can run these apps with no overhead costs at all. Once you get access by clicking the button below, you can log into any of the cloud-based apps, watch a simple how-to video, and have a profit-ready campaign that runs practically on autopilot live in minutes. It's that fast and that easy. Christmas Commission Bundle is perfect for beginners or anyone that struggled with complicated methods before. It's a no-brainer if you're a busy marketer wanting extra income streams you can set up fast, and it's ideal for lifestyle marketers that want to turn their personal interests into profits. You pay well over $300 to buy these apps separately, and even that's a great deal. But under $20 for all 15, it's pretty close to a Christmas miracle. You can literally get in for less than the price of a couple of fancy coffees at your favorite coffee shop. And it gets even better. When you act right now, you'll also get more than 70 plus brand new money making bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. You can see all the juicy details below. Please note, these bonuses are not your typical PLR bonuses like you're used to seeing. Each one of these bonuses can easily be sold for at least $100 each, but you're going to get them absolutely free. The only catch, this truly is a limited offer that's just around for a very short time. When it's gone for good. You're covered with our rock solid 180-day money back guarantee, so you have absolutely zero risk whatsoever. Pick this up now and try out the entire bundle for a full 6 months, and if for any reason you're not blown away, you can get a prompt refund within any time up to 180 days from now. That's how confident we are you're going to absolutely love this. If it doesn't work out for you, contact our support desk and we will get you that prompt refund. This is an absolute no-brainer, so hurry and take action right now because the price of the Christmas Commission Bundle is increasing every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more, and we don't want you to miss out. If you want to make a real change in your life with our bundle of award-winning traffic and commission apps, click the buy button below right now to lock in your discount and get instant access to this incredible bundle at a mind-blowing one-time price. Check below for even more details about what's on offer, then hurry to lock in your access at this exclusive discount. You can see more details about each app below, but honestly, this is such a powerful package at such a tiny price. Grab yours now by clicking below while it's still available. I'll see you on the inside.
So that was the demo video. Let us go on and look at the bonuses now. To make the best out of this bundle ever, I have added 4 best-selling products by Jono Armstrong, who is my mentor and guru. And these products, these bonuses, I'll be telling you just in a minute or so. The bonus number 1, what you're getting access to is Aurora with license rights. So it's a course explaining about how to get high ticket offers and also how to get traffic to these offers so that you can make money easily with this particular software. Aurora is the bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is I am giving you access to Eclipse course. In this bonus, you will be getting access to a method through which you learn the creation and how to hijack other marketers' email swipes and use them as your own. So this is one more traffic app. So this is Eclipse. And bonus number 3 is in this bonus you will be getting access to a software through which you can get traffic to your Facebook page using viral videos. This is Enigma Pro, and lastly, you'll be getting bonus number 4. You will be getting access to a course called Lost Code. It's a very good course explaining how to market products online and make some good money. So, and the bonus number 5 is, of course, the vendor bonuses. These are the bonuses the vendor has given me to give it to you, so that you can get these bonuses also. Bonus number 1 is free multiple free traffic software. Bonus number 2 is 70 plus extra bonuses. Bonus number 3 is live chat support. Bonus number 4, exclusive live streams. So to get all the vendor bonuses along with the bonuses I mentioned above, all these are 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you, even though you pick up the front end of this particular product, which costs around $17. To get the best out of these bonuses, all you need to do is click the link in the description below, and that will bring you to my bonus page, and then you click any of these red buttons and it will take you to the sales page where you can pick up this product. Once you have done that, the question is, where do I get my bonuses? So once you have done that, you will be taken to a payment gateway page of Warrior Plus. After you made the payment, you will come to a page like this. On the right hand top corner, it shows a username or affiliate ID. Just click on that button and there's a drop down menu. Just click on purchase history and it will take you through to a page like this, which is called as the receipt page. So here you click on this green button and you get access to the product, and just below is a blue button which says access affiliate bonus. Click on this product and you're going to get all the bonuses. You can just grab the bonuses there, all my bonuses. So the vendor bonuses will be there on the members area. So this is how you get access to the bonuses. Now let us have a quick look at the OTOs here, the one-time offers or the upgrades. Yeah, the front end, as I told you, is going to cost you around $17. So this is the OTO 1 is unlimited version at $67, and there is a downsell at $37. OTO number 2 is 100 done for you at 97 US and is a downsell at 49 US. So OTO number 3, OTO number 4, OTO number 6 I think is very interesting at licensed rights at 197 and is a downsell at $47. So I don't want to take much of your time. You can just come over and have a look at all these bonuses at your own time if you are interested in purchasing this product. So I'll just quickly want to go into the sales page here. There's a demo video on the sales page also. You can just click on this demo video whenever you want to and just have this one. So here this is instantly massive savings, 15 plus best selling software products for the price of one. Instantly save thousands with our 99% offer and Christmas commission bundle. So this is the thing. So and this is Glenn Kosky, the creator of this product, and also the 15 products what I have told you. And there are a lot of testimonials and money to be made in this particular software. Also there's a 30-day money back guarantee on this. So just now let us quickly run through the members area. This is a dashboard. Here you can get all the 15 products here. So it will take you to a page like this, and you can just select an option here. You can just select one of all the 15 product, and it will ask you to create a password, and also and you can create a password for this particular InfoCourse. So like this, you can register for all the 15 products, and you get access to all these particular apps, so that you can do whatever you want to. These are the upgrades here. Just click on this and you're going to get the upgrades. And this is a free traffic app which Glenn Kosky has introduced. He can run traffic to any niche, and he will help you get 100 clicks to 100 or 150 clicks, depending on where the traffic is being driven from. So this is a free traffic app what he is testing out, and he is ready to help you get some traffic on this particular app, Christmas Commission Bundle. So this brings me to the end of this particular review. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, and if you really like this, just click on the like button so that it will encourage me and help me to get better rankings in the YouTube. So that brings me to the end of this review. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and until my next review, goodbye.